Imagine holding the golden ticket to visa approval in your hands. It's not about luck or chance, but about a strategic and intentional journey. This golden ticket is your travel history. Your travel history might not be a mandatory requirement for your visa application, but it plays a pivotal role in securing visas to countries like Canada, the USA, and nations across Europe. It's an unfortunate reality that many individuals from countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka apply for visas to these places without a travel history and are met with rejection. These applicants fail to prove that they are genuine tourists. Immigration officers often assess visa applications by reviewing the applicant's travel history. If they don't find any, they may reject the application. So if you aspire to secure a visa to any of these countries, it's essential to build your travel history. Start with countries where it's easier to obtain a visa, such as Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Dubai, Turkey, and Azerbaijan. Now, lean in closely as I share a crucial tip to help you secure your desired country's visa. Plan your holiday tours strategically by visiting 2 or 3 countries at a time. For instance, start with Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand for your first tour. For your second holiday, consider the United Arab Emirates, Turkey, and Azerbaijan. After covering these 6 countries in 2 holiday tours, prepare your application for your third international trip by applying for a visa to Schengen, Canada, or the USA. Remember, this is your journey to your desired destination. But don't overlook the other key factors of your visa application. I discussed these in a previous video titled, How to Prepare a Visit Visa File. Please make sure to watch it for a comprehensive understanding. And now it's time to hear from you. If you have any questions about building a travel history, drop them in the comments section below. And while you're at it, do subscribe and like this video to stay updated on more travel insights. Stay tuned, my friends, and best of luck on your adventures.